Hello everyone, welcome back to Agape Love. Today we will learn how to crochet this cute flower hair clip. And this is very beginner friendly tutorial. So if you don't know how to crochet at all and you are complete beginner, you can simply just follow all the steps and you can make one just like this. So without wasting any time, let's start it. So material you will need today: cotton yarn. I'm using two colors for the flower, so 20 gram for each, 4.0 mm crochet hook, a hair clip, pair of scissors and glue to attach hair clip to the flower. So first we will start by making the center part of the flower. I'm using white color yarn and we will start by making a magic ring. So make a cross like this. Now insert your hook, pull up a loop, turn it around and then chain one. So this is the magic ring. Now we will work into this ring. After chain 1, add 3 more chains, 1, 2 and 3, and now work 3 treble crochet. For treble crochet, yarn over your hook twice. Now insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we will work on our second treble crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, and again pull through 2. Now last treble crochet, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and after 3 treble crochets we will work chain 3, 1 2 3, and now 1 slip stitch. So we are making petal of the flower, and after slip stitch you can see this is the first petal of the flower. Like this we will make 3 more petals, and in total we will make 4 petals. And if you want to make 5 petals, you should use a smaller crochet hook. Right here I'm using 4.0 mm. If you want to make 5 petals, please use 3.5 mm crochet hook. In same pattern we will make second petal with chain 4 and then 3 treble crochet. We are making third one, and after 3 treble crochet, chain 3 and then slip stitch like this. So let's complete 2 more petals, and this is our last petal. Make a slip knot, and our 4 petals are complete. Now chain 1, pull a loop and cut off the yarn. So the middle part or the inner petals are ready for the flower. And now after cutting off this white yarn, we will start making the outer layer, which is the red shade. Make it tight. Yeah, the middle part is ready. Now let's work on the outer layer. And now we will change color for the outer layer of the flower. Insert your hook in the magic ring, the center of the flower. Pull up a loop and secure the end like this, and now chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So after chain 6 we will work 2 double crochet in these 3 treble crochet stitches. So make sure to tight the end like this, and now work 1 double crochet into this first treble crochet stitch. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is double crochet stitch. Like this we will work 1 more double crochet into the same gap. Now again into next stitch work 2 double crochet, and then into third stitch again we will work 2 double crochet. So in the end you should have 6 double crochet in this outer layer. Then after 2 double crochet again we will work 5 chains. Yeah, and this is the outer layer of the flower. And for the outer layer here I'm using 3.0 mm crochet hook. And after this make a slip knot. Then again for the next petal work chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is the first petal. You can see the outer layer, give it a good shape, Yeah, so like this we will complete all the petals. First chain 6 and then 2 double crochet in each double crochet stitch, and then chain 5 and then slip stitch. So this is the pattern. Repeat it till you cover all the petals, and let's finish this part. So all the petals are complete with 2 double crochet in each of the stitch, and here I am completing my last petal. So after 2 double crochet, again chain 5, and after chain 5 we will close this layer with slip stitch. Insert your hook and pull through this loop, and then chain 1 like this, make a long loop and then cut off the yarn. So this part, chain 1, is a bit tricky, but slowly you can do it. Just keep following the tutorial, and after cutting off the yarn, make it tight like this, because this chain 1 will work as a knot. And after chain 1, tie knot to all these edges to give it a good back. Shouldn't be look clumsy. So make 2 knots to secure the ends, and then you can cut off these tails and give all the petals a good shape. And now you need to glue your hair clip to the back of the flower. If you have hot glue gun, you can use that. If you have super glue, you can use that. Just make sure to use good glue to attach the hair clip to the flower. And yeah, it's all done. Your crochet flower hair clip is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to subscribe my channel so that you won't miss the next tutorials. And please like my video and comment below what you want to learn next. Till then, see you, bye bye, and happy crocheting.